So I just wanted to start off the video showing me putting the bondo on and then give you a little shot of what the primer coats looked like before I finish taping everything off. Been a few days since I've been able to get anything up. The setup that I'm using has changed a little bit. Had to do a little bit of an enclosure because my neighbor moved his truck over on the other side of the wall from me, so I had to make sure that I wasn't getting any overspray on his stuff. Anyways, I'll flip the camera and show you what I've been able to do. This is it. If my garage was a little bit cleaner, I probably could have just moved in there, but I would have had to tape everything off, and then there would have been all the overspray. Might have made my garage look nasty, so decided just to go down to Harbor Freight and get this 10 by 20, they call it a canopy. So I got a few tarps to go around the walls, and here it is. So I was able to get it primed. I got 3 coats of top coat, which is the white, and then this is just after the first coat of clear. The first coat of clear goes on pretty light, so I'm hoping that it gets a little bit more of a sheen the more coats that I put on. But this is kind of the best shot you're gonna get at it, except for maybe over here in this corner for right now. But yeah, it's going okay. Painting's a lot of work. Don't let anybody tell you any different. There's lots of detail work, like I said at the beginning of these videos. I was never expecting show quality. I just wanted to try to get it the same color. So yeah, I think it's turning out okay for what I've put into it. Maybe at the end of the video I'll kind of give you a little bit of a rundown on what I spent, the materials I used, and that sort of thing, just so that you can get an idea of what to expect if you're going to do it and what kind of quality you're going to get out of it. Like I said, I was just trying to get it all the same color, and I am pretty pleased with the look of it so far. So I'm hoping to finish it up tomorrow. I'm going to get the next 2 coats of clear coat on it, and then I'll start taking off the tape and see what kind of overspray I've got everywhere and whatnot, what things I forgot to tape off and whatever. I know that the first time I went around with the top coat, with the color coat, I missed taping this handle, and it's taped now just because I figured maybe I'd save myself a little bit of scrubbing. But there's going to be a lot of scrubbing on that handle to try and get it back clean. But I think the rest of it, I think I got taped off pretty well. The rest of it, I'm not too worried about it. Anyways, that's it for now. So taking a video inside today because I ran out of daylight, but I got a majority of the Bronco done. I've got a few spots that I need to clean up, some overspray, but yeah, made some good progress today. Got it most of the way done. I still got to put the bumpers and the mirrors and door panels back on, but for the most part, it's pretty done. I am pleased with how it came out. There's a few spots that are kind of rough, but all in all, I'm happy with it. It's all one color. Like I said, that was kind of the goal to begin with. So yeah, I'll keep you posted once I get the bumpers back on. I'm actually gonna probably order some different mirrors. Yeah, I think I'm gonna order some. The mirrors that were on it were chrome plated. I think I'm gonna order, or maybe stainless. I don't know if they were chrome, but they're stainless. And I think I'm gonna actually order some black ones. They're black plastic. See how they do. They're fairly cheap, so might as well give them a shot, see what they look like. Anyways, that's it for today.